Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a very functional solution for the easy anti-cheat is not installed error. So what you gotta do is download the install easy anti-cheat on your computer. So to download it, just go to the website which is here, themediafire.com/file, and you just can get this on the link below. So download this easy anti-cheat setup now, and I already downloaded it. So what you gotta do is click it with the right mouse, and we're going to run it as an administrator. And just click on yes. And now click install easy anti-cheat. So that was the solution, but in addition to this way of downloading and installing Easy Anti-Cheat, as I'd show you, you can also access the Easy Anti-Cheat folder through the game folder that is giving this error. To access this Easy Anti-Cheat folder on your game folder, let's open the File Explorer, then click on Local TC Programs times 86, open the Steam folder. Now this Steam apps folders common, and now open the game folder that is giving the error. Open the easy anti-cheat folder, and now open easy anti-cheat setup and repeat the same installation process I just showed. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!